Do you want to make Steam start in small mode, the minimalistic mode? And do that every time you start up the application, so you don't need to go into it. Gmodism. Well, simply do like this. Click the Steam logo on the top left and go down to Settings. Now click on Interface, and here you find Startup Location. And the default one is always the store, so you get to the store because they want you to buy more games, right? But if you just want to play the games you have instead, it's much better, of course, to make them start at Library. And this is a little bit weird. You have to select it to start from Library to make Steam be able to start up in small mode. And then you can close down the window. And now you can just click on View up here, and you can switch to small mode like you normally would. So when you have done it this way, you can just exit Steam, right? And when you start Steam again, well, you guessed it, it's gonna boot into small mode. So you can boot into the games list instead, and instead of buying a lot of new games, you can just play the ones you have. Much better. In any case, if this video helped you, you should definitely leave a like, because that helps me so much. If you want to support the channel, there is options to do that, but other than that, leave a comment for the algorithm. This is your host, Eric of Gmodism, and I'm signing out. See you next time.